Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we can expect windy conditions over the southern interior, as well as northern KwaZulu-Natal and southeastern Mpumalanga, where there's a watch for a high fire danger rating on Tuesday. There's also a high fire danger warning over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, with a gale force wind warning along the coast between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas. A cold front brings in wintry weather over the western part of South Africa on Tuesday, with most of the rainfall situated over the southwestern part. Cooler air moves in over the western part of South Africa, but with mostly sunny and mild weather continuing over the central and northeastern parts. It'll be a fine and mild day in the Eastern Cape on Tuesday, with a particularly hot forecast over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see a 60% chance of rainfall in the southwest, with the possibility of rainfall decreasing as we head up the west coast, as well as further inland, with the possibility of drizzle for parts of the northern Cape. Now you'll see how the cold front affects the maximum temperatures in the west on Tuesday. 16 degrees for Cape Town and R10 as we head into Sutherland, and Springbok at 13 degrees. We're forecasting a high of around 20 for the Free State, mild for Pretoria, Bishu and East London at 23 degrees, 24 for Mahikeng and Polokwane, and we're expecting sizzling hot weather for Bombela and Richards Bay, both in the low 30s. Along the west coast, a moderate south-southeasterly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay, with a fresh northwesterly wind for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay. Langebaan can expect a strong wind on Tuesday, with a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. In the southwest, strong to gale force northwesterly winds are forecast on Tuesday. Incredibly windy conditions are expected, particularly in the morning, with a 5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Along the south coast, we're expecting a fresh west-northwesterly wind for Mussel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with a strong southwesterly wind as we head towards Port Elizabeth. We're forecasting an average swell height of 3.5 metres, but with that swell height picking up in the second part of the day, and we'll see a wave period of 11 seconds. Along the east coast, good beach conditions are expected from Richards Bay through to the Wild Coast, with light winds in the forecast. A northerly wind is expected for Richards Bay, with a northeasterly wind for Durban, and we'll see a fresh west-southwesterly wind for East London. Along the east coast, we're expecting a very small swell of only 1 metre from the east at 8 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Tuesday.